Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are going to solve a problem, that is, what is the largest number of 4 digits which is completely divisible by 18. For this we will first write the greatest 4 digit number, that is 9999. Then we will divide it by 18. Upon dividing, the quotient will be 555 and the remainder will be 9. So our required number will be 9999 minus 9. That is equals to 9990, and that is the answer, guys. Let's do another problem. What is the greatest odd number of 4 digits which is completely divisible by 17? For this, we will first write the greatest 4 digit number, that is 9999. Then we will divide it by 17. Upon dividing, the quotient will be 588 and the remainder will be 3. So according to the previous process, the number will be 9999 minus 3. That is equal to 9996. But this is an even number. So we will subtract 17 from 9996 and the difference will be our answer. That is 9996 minus 17. So the answer will be 9979, which is an odd number. Let's do another problem. What is the smallest number of 4 digit which is completely divisible by 22? So here also we will write the least 4 digit number, that is 1000. Then we will divide it by 22. The quotient here will be 45 and the remainder will be 10. But as per the previous process, we will not subtract 22 from 1000. Instead, we will subtract 10 from 22 and add the remaining to 1000. So that is equal to 22 minus 10 is 12 and we will add it to 1000. So that is equals to 1012. If you find this video informative, please like and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.